Today my debate is on arranged marriage versus love marriage. Arranged marriage means the formation of bonding between two people relating to the same culture, same caste, same religion. That means decreasing in the rate of conflicts between the two cultures. Arranged marriage always supports the conflicts between the two different castes. It means
Can example Central Minister Venkaiah Naidu with Bharati's 25 years experience in arranged marriage.
they are sad.
Chiranjeevi and ex Central Minister Chiranjeevi and his wife in arranged marriage. There is no disputes in life. Present.
Even arranged marriage is more, I give 100% secure because if there are conflicts arise between these two people, yeah, family support is there now. Because in love marriages, I think there is no family support, and also arranged marriage always supports the Indian culture because Indian culture is always related to cultural traditions, etc.
I don't think so because even the love marriages are happening today with the support of family only. You are telling that it is a very good to caste system, but the caste system is the main problem in India nowadays. In love marriages, we have a chance to marry intercaste people, which is really wanted for every youth today. Because we can abolish caste system in future generation, which could not be a problem at all for our India. Even you are saying that a strong bonding is there between arranged marriages. Not at all.
Problems are arising due to the intercaste marriages because in police cases there are more cases related to intercaste marriages, love marriages.
No, nowadays parents are also thinking for the children's happiness, and everyone is supporting the love marriages.
In the case of love marriages, we can understand it because they really.
See, in love marriages, the people have the bonding even from before the marriage, so they do not need much time to interact with each other, and they can easily understand each other's feelings in any dispute or everything.
Yes, for a small amount of time. It's not at all for future time. Arranged marriages are always secure overall the future.
No, not at all. Child marriages are coming from only arranged marriage, which is a bloody thing.
But child marriages are abolished,
Present.
But this is for Indian constitution according to this generation.
I am saying that most child marriages are from only arranged marriages.
See, arranged marriage has many problems when compared to love marriage, like dowry system.
Dowry system, which was
After 3 years of love marriages, the boy advanced with the woman and he wanted marriage story. But in arranged marriage, there is no such conflicts.
Even in the arranged marriages, many people are failing to give dowry, and even the girl is getting tortured.
But there is success in marriage now.
See, in if love marriage, if a girl or a boy gets dispute with the family members, the life partner supports him very much because there is strong relationship between them from earlier.
Bonding marriages after
Take months time if
I have bought crops in 2015. In 2015, the rate of
Time up.
Success of marriage was only arranged, not
The successful love marriage is the 65% more than arranged marriage. Time up.
As Shruti said, disputes among the couple during love marriage. In arranged marriages, families will be with us to recombine us and make us happy along the life. But in love marriages, if they get disputes, they'll get divorced in 4 years or 2 years. They'll leave their babies they'll leave their girl babies or they'll leave their boy babies at ridages and all. They won't take care of their babies.
You already said that in arranged marriages, for the children who is going to marry, the parents will give support. But in a love marriages also,
India, there are 92% of people are arranged marriage and 2% of people are love marriages. And these 2% people are already divorced and they are not living the
Here, there is also research on love marriages who will be more happy, and also arranged marriages. 65% of arranged marriages are not happier than love marriages. If after arranged marriage, they are going to know about themselves. But in arranged love marriages, before they are going to marriage, only they are knowing about themselves, their likes and dislikes. They know each other, so they can live happily. For some,
As Shilpi said, dowry is the problem. Okay, when we take dowry as the problem, in arranged marriages they give dowry to the couple, arranged couple who will be satisfied after their marriage. And in love marriages they don't take dowry and they will be on roads after 2 years, after 1 year even. They, in love marriages they say, boy will say, I'm this IIT student and I have got a job, and he'll say some lies to the people and she'll marry that
because of
girl.
dowry only, what is the many of the basic arranged marriage.
It gives some stuff. Nowadays we get support only by money, not by
We use the money from supporting.
how can you
If parents are
how can you educate your children late in marriage?
we earn the money and if parents
If he says, if that boy says he is a lady and he will marry
that's what
later, you will get to know
parents are
what is there
uneducated,
in that.
then they don't have a good money. If the students, who is going to marry has a good salary, they can have a good.
It's a time.
Love marriage is better than arranged marriage because they have trust in both the partners and both the understanding and belief in both the partners. Take an example in film industry, Nagarjuna, he married, he had an arranged marriage first with Amala. He had, after that he had love marriage with Amala. He divorced to his first wife because he don't have belief in arranged marriage. After he realized he cheating, have strong bond in both of the partners, and he took divorce. After that, he attended love marriage with Amina, and he settled his life very strongly. Now they have strong bond between both of the partners.
But two different families, Nagarjuna family and Venkatesh family, they are interlinked due to the arranged marriage law.
Like
Not
this
at
is
all love marriage.
his first wife, but they divorced because they don't understand each other, and that's why he divorced and they live and now they love.
Families are combining and bringing together due to only arranged marriage, but not at all love marriage. They didn't even support the
It is
couple.
important that both the individuals should happy with each other, not the understanding of families. What is the importance in this case about families?
In love marriages you get in conflict. There is no family support.
Well, the trust and feelings can make each other strong.
See, I have always from research of Indian culture institution. If, of course, 100 marriages happened in only one week, then 700 marriages in 1 week. 700
Love marriage is a legal right
That means
also. Our government
740,000
also
families are living
it
together.
is a legal right.
Indirectly, arranged marriages are coming in two different families.
Arranged marriage is actually many people are just forcing to live with each other. That's not at all good. Even if the individual doesn't have any, if he doesn't want to live with his life partner, but he is just forced to live with him. But in love marriages, there is no question at all of forcing each other.
Arranged marriage is not at all forcing.
Indian economy,
Of course,
Indian economy, 92% is arranged marriage. 2% is only love marriage.
92%. Wait, 92%.
Arranged marriage. 2% is love marriage.
Wait with the other 6%.
8% for
8%
others.
others.
What others? How many are in what the other one?
What is this?
92% you are saying that arranged marriage. 6% are love marriages. Where is the other 6% go?
We are not talking about other things. 92% success rate came from arranged marriage. Let us talk about the success rate.
Okay, another reason says that 62% of the arranged marriage couples are applying for divorce. Why?
Because they do not have a strong
Same
bonding.
rate also goes to love marriage.
There is no strong bonding between the arranged, between the life partners in arranged marriages because they don't understand.
Family support them.
I want others must be very quiet, but they can't because they don't have any bonding.
See, in arranged marriages, each other life partners don't know each other's taste very exactly. So after marriages, they can easily get disputes. But in love marriages, they pre-plan their future very perfectly.
And they are failing. But they are
After 3
failing.
years,
No, they are not at all failing. Don't you see Namrata
They are
and Mahesh?
simply saying they are failing. Love marriages are failing.
But yet, other child
See, you-
leading their
Other
lives.
2% maybe success.
Other 98% they are leading. What? No, it is very.
See, even in love marriage, we get a confidence that we can happily see our life partner lifelong. We get a promise, we just give a promise that for our life partner that we keep her happy lifelong. But in arranged marriages, it's just an adjustment.
Like matters all goes to before marriage. After marriage, they didn't think about what is future.
Why don't we think?
Because
Everything after marriage only. But in
Even
marriage,
if-
there is no such thing happen.
Even if you dispute arrangements with the family members of both the individuals, if they are in love already, they just try to settle it. But if their bonding is very weak in arranged marriages, and
Settlement
they
doesn't happen in love marriage. Because
Why
family
doesn't
support is
arranged marriage first time in arranged marriage, and you can set the love marriage is great, but no, because marriage and love marriage, no success.
Is
I
arranged
can see
marriage.
many love marriages like Allu Arjun and
Second one is